you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Emma if you're new here, or if you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for watching this video. So today I'm going to be doing a kind of like date night, kind of glam look, because Valentine's Day is coming up and I'm planning on doing like a Valentine's Day look, like a more dramatic, colorful one, but I wanted to do a more neutral one that can also be like used for any date. If you want to see like kind of a dramatic, glam, but like neutral date night look, then just keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe. You guys know the drill with that. Guys, I want to get to 1,000 so bad, and I think we can do it. And also, my birthday is this month. It's February 23rd, so it'd be a great birthday present to get to like 900. Let's just say 1,000. Guys, I want to get to 1,000 by my birthday. Let's see if we can do it. I think we can. Let's get it. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to see the look, then just keep on watching. Alright, you guys, so we're gonna get started. I've just before I started filming, I put some concealer on my eyelids and like carved out my brows. It's like a new technique I've been doing. It's inspired by this Instagram artist. His name is Mitchell. Super talented. You should check him out if you find cool makeup interesting. So anyways, he starts out by carving out the brow, and then he'll do all the eyeshadow, and then he'll do the brows, and it just looks stunning. So I've been doing it and it works great, but let's get started. I think we're going to start out with Modern Renaissance because, you know, it's my favorite palette. I don't know, like, I just love this palette so much. If you get any eyeshadow palette, I recommend this one. It's cheaper than the Naked palettes, it's way higher quality, you can use it every single day. I'm going to start out with Tempera, the most loved shade in the palette. I'm going to run that through my crease a little bit just so it makes blending a little bit easier. And this shade is perfect for setting your eye base, going under the brow to just kind of like clean up anything, or putting it all over the lid to like have a nice brightness, or even put it in your inner corner to brighten things up with a matte shadow. Yeah, now we're gonna go in with raw. No, I'm gonna use my Morphe palette. I forgot that I got it out. So I haven't used this bad boy in so long. This color's broken. But yeah, I'm gonna go in, I think with this one and that one. I just like to mix a bunch of shades because there's so many. I'm just gonna put this into the crease. I'm feeling a very sparkly, warm-toned look. You guys, I know that that's like every look on the internet, but this is supposed to be like a wearable look that anybody can achieve, and it's still very pretty, and you can literally change out any color to customize it to like your wants or needs. So you can change the crease colors to be more cool toned, you can change the lid color to like a pink or a gold or a rose gold or a copper or white, like whatever you want. This is just basic glam, kind of smoky eye with a shimmery lid, which is kind of my go-to when I want to look pretty but not like wear blue on my eyes. I did a pink Valentine's Day look I think like a week ago, but yeah, I posted those pictures on my Instagram. It's emmabishoffmua if you want to check it out. That was one of my favorite looks I've ever done, I think. It was so fun to use the pink and it looked really cool. Blending is key, you guys. Like, you should blend on your eyelid until your eyelid feels like numb from the bristles just going over it again and again. This color and that one. You guys, I literally don't have anything planned out. I'm just like doing this on the fly. I'm gonna pack this on my outer corner. See how pigmented that is? And this is just like the original Morphe 35O palette. Like, I haven't even tried their new formula. Haven't tried the Jaclyn Hill palette, haven't tried the 39A. I want to, but can I afford to? Back in with this big fluffy brush and the transition colors that we started with to diffuse the edges. Jesus. I'm gonna go in with this bright orange color and just pack that over top because it's going more red and I want it to be more orange. Okay, that looks pretty good. I am going to grab, sorry you guys, I haven't planned this out very well. I'm gonna grab this shade from my Sephora Pro palette. So I just grabbed my Mario Badescu Rose Water, and I'm gonna grab this little teeny tiny detailer brush. It's actually from that palette in my last video, so if you haven't seen that one, go check it out. I'll put it up here. I used all makeup from Marshalls. It was very interesting, and I'm just like carving my eyelid with this. Someone suggested that I go to TJ Maxx and look for high-end makeup because apparently they have it there, like super cheap, because it's just, I guess, extra or something. I don't exactly know, but yeah, I think that would be a fun idea because it'd be kind of like vlog-ish, and I feel like you guys like vlogs, but I'm horrible at them. Okay, I've kind of decided like midway through doing this that I'm gonna do darker shimmer on this, on like the in and outside, like a halo eye, and then the other color, or the color in the middle, is gonna be lighter. I'm like obsessed with this Sephora Pro palette, you guys. Now that we have that done, I'm going to place, yeah, Amber Rush from L'Oreal in the inner part. This is like one of my favorite eyeshadows. It's so pretty. If you want, do you see that? Like, if you want pigmented eyeshadows, get L'Oreal Infallible. I feel like it's not big of a that much of a difference to be like a halo eye, you know? I'm gonna grab a different L'Oreal eyeshadow. This one's Iced Latte. It's what I use on my inner corner. I'm gonna mix this one and this one. It's like a red and like a peachy color, just to create some depth in the crease. Then I'm gonna take like this light color, just go on my brow bone because it's getting a little muddy. I'm gonna take this makeup wipe. This is the best part. It's so satisfying. I'm now going to do my wing off camera. If you want to see how I do my eyeliner, go back and look at a tutorial. I'll link one up here where I show you. I'm just horrible at filming it. But yeah, I'll be right back. So I decided before I like put on mascara and lashes, everything, I'm going to put some glitter on. So I wanted to show you guys me doing that. So this is just the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in Glam Rock. You do not have to do this. This is just me being extra. I finished putting on the rest of the glitter liner. I did some mascara. I put on Lily Ghalichi lashes in Miami. They are one of my favorites. They're so gorgeous and they feel comfortable, and I would recommend them to anybody who wants to start trying lashes. And this is the part where you'd want to do brow gel or brow highlight, whatever you guys are into. Unfortunately, I'm out of brow gel and I'm not really feeling the brow highlight right now, so I'm gonna do my foundation and concealer off camera just because I feel like it's boring for you guys. So yeah, once I have that done, I will be back to like bronze contour, highlight lips, and then we'll be done. Hello you guys. So I've done all my face products. I kind of wiped off the foundation from my lips, and now I'm going to start with bronzer. It's so funny because it's like 10 o'clock at night and I'm like going full beat, and I'm literally just gonna shower in an hour. So now I'm going to go in with my highlighter, and like I said, I'm gonna do this trick where I take the beauty blender and I like dip it in, and it's what Jaclyn Hill taught me and it works really well. So this is the Sleek Solstice highlighting palette. I highly recommend this. It's very affordable, very pigmented. Iced Latte L'Oreal Infallible eyeshadow. I love using eyeshadows to highlight, you guys, because they are super pigmented and they're not like powdery. So I'm going to highlight my nose. Nose highlight is top 3 of my favorite things. Like, do you see that? Do you see that? Now I'm going to finish my eyes. I'm going to go in with the Shade and Light palette, like a random small-ish brush. Gonna go with the orange. This color. Finally, I'm going to take some mascara. This is the best. It's super black. We have to do lips. So I'm going to take my NYX retractable lip liner in Nude. Alright, and then I'm gonna pop a gloss on, and I'll be right back. So I put on a gloss. I lined my waterline with just a nude, like the NYX pencil, just because I think it opens it up. Final step, setting spray. This is Urban Decay All Nighter, which is very important on date night because you want to stay looking flawless and glam all night long. Basically just take a shower. That is the end, you guys. Like, this is the finished look. Sorry, I thought I heard a rumbling. This is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. I want to thank you guys so much for all of your support and kind words constantly. It makes me want to keep doing this, and I really appreciate it because this makes me so happy. You guys have no idea. Anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Thank you for all your constant love and support and all the like influx of subscribers. I really appreciate. After my homecoming get ready with me just went viral. I think we're up to like 15,000 views or something. Like, that is so crazy to me, and I just want you to know that I'm so grateful for that. And if you're new here, please subscribe. Like, I'm going to be uploading more content like this, and yeah, I love you guys with all my heart. Thank you so much. I hope that you guys could use this sometime in the near future. I'll see you next time.